Look how good this PS5 controller looks. This customer ordered this custom from Clutch Controllers, and we've got a few customizations on here. We've got white buttons and a white front faceplate, white triggers as well. The triggers have mouse click mods on them, so really nice tactile instant feedback on those. We've got this super smooth soft touch Viridian green front shell which just pops against these white buttons, black touchpad, and on the back we've got the clutch grip 2 paddle back buttons right there. Really nice, comfortable, perfectly placed, and these are remappable as well because the customer added the remap chip. So yeah, these paddles will definitely step up your game. If you want to get a controller like this, check out clutchcontrollers.com.